Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Khongwer TVS kebadan ya keslem di tuk-tuk arsaka ha Mawlai stanbas Shillong. Haka arpsau tarik unawing arajar arpsan kala Paidbah ya ke Ntorq 150cc kebaningkong ha India. Haka jelang kebalalong ha showroom kebadan ha Mawlai stanbas. Ha kanikasi kidon hadu kat prangwat ki customer ki bala Thied ya kanika Scooty. Ha ringkat ke jing sakilang u territory manager ke Northeast TVS Motor Company u Joydeep Sen Gupta ka dealer principal jong ka Khongwer TVS ka kong Almita Khongwer ki nongtrei bat ki wei ki balasha khot sobha.
Good evening and welcome to each and every one of you who are present here, as well as those watching live from your homes. Right now we are at Khongwer's TVS showroom to mark another milestone by TVS Motors with the launch of India's quickest and first hyper scooter. And to do that, immediately, I would like to invite Kong Almita Khongwer, accompanied by members of the family, to please come forward and unveil the scooters. So ladies and gentlemen, here we go. India's quickest and first hyper sport scooter. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, with the unveiling of these three wonderful scooters. And to mark and celebrate this occasion, we will now have a cake cutting ceremony, and I would like to invite Kong Almita, accompanied by Joydeep Sen Gupta, the Territory Manager, Northeastern Region, to please come forward. Tissue paper. Well, thank you very much, Kong Almita and the team for that cake cutting ceremony just now. Well, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, now that the scooters have been unveiled, I think you will be excited to know what these scooters are all about, especially the specification. And to do this, I would like to once again invite Joydeep Sen Gupta, who is a territory manager for the Northeastern region, to please come forward and explain, maybe if not in detail, but at least some of it, of the specification of the scooters to all of us here. Mr. Joydeep.
This is for the first time in Shillong we are unveiling India's first hyper sports scooter, that is Ntorq 150. This can be considered as all-rounder, as in this scooter you can find hyper performance, hyper technology and hyper styling. The style that we have given is completely inspired from stealth aircraft. Along with that, we have provided multi-point projector headlamp. Front combination headlamp has been provided. When we come to wheel, we have given a colored alloy wheel that is of 12 inch. In safety purpose, we have provided ABS along with traction control in scooter. When we come to connectivity features, this scooter is having 50 plus connectivity features along with first in segment, Alexa and smartwatch integration. These are some major highlights of this scooter. This scooter can move from 0 to 60 km/h in just 3.6 seconds. The rest of the details introduction will be given by Ronaldo. I would like Ronaldo to come forward.
of the specification of the Scooty. Actually, I'm talking about this Scooty and Ntorq. Okay. Right now we have this two variants are there in the Ntorq 150. That one is the non-TFT, means not non-thin film transistor, and also we have the TFT. The TFT, that's a film transistor. So according to these two, there are two differences are there. See, the non-TFT, they don't have the feature of OS. We have only the hybrid digitals. That means you can connect the Bluetooth connection, but you won't have that much features in the non-TFT. So we have the TFT, that is a thin film transistor. That is the screen of this new Ntorq 150. That one is, the screen is big, and also you have a lot of features like Sir Joydeep saying that 50 plus are there. The main thing here we have is that you have also the notification about the Instagram we have here. Also we have the stream mode and race mode. In the street mode you'll find the top speed will be 95, and in the race mode you'll find 104. And also we have the Alexa integration like Sir Joydeep said, and also we have the last unpark Scooty, last unpark. In this last unpark, I'll explain you, because if you're having a Scooty, okay, you when you go to the market, you're parking the Scooty. So we have a congested parking is there. So you forgot the Scooty, where do you park? You can just download the apps and connect. You can connect first, you can connect from the phone, and then after that you have to check from the phone. Where is the last that you are parking the Scooty? So once you have seen in the notification, have you seen in close by only, you'll find the Scooty there. So that's all. Thank you.